So what are we going to talk about today? We're talking about some imagery and some mindfulness to be able to get you into the water when you don't quite feel like it. Hello, I'm the Dynamic Dipper from Morecambe Bay. We're not in Morecambe Bay today. We're at Birks Bridge near Esdale in Dutton. It's absolutely beautiful. There's got a gorgeous bridge a little bit further down with like a little gorge and waterfalls here. And I'll post some photos throughout the video so you can see just how gorgeous it is. The water is so clear and it looks turquoise blue. I'll show you throughout the video. Totally beautiful. If you like my videos, please can you click on the link below and subscribe? That would be brilliant. Thank you. But first of all, I think what's important is to say that even when you don't feel like a swim and you've got lots of aggro in your life, it's so important to keep going for the swims. So I've had an awful, terrible week, and I didn't feel like swimming, but actually I've had to make the effort, and I've done an hour's drive on my day off to come here to this beautiful place. You know, Wim Hof talks about the body being the seat to the soul, and that is true. You know, we really need to look after the body in order to look after the soul and mental health. And so I just thought I would post some things that help me get into the water when it's a little bit chilly. So today it is a little bit chilly. It's about 4 or 5 degrees. There's still ice on the roads up here, so it's still pretty chilly. So when you first get in and you first have that initial cold water kick, it is important to breathe out really, really slowly, so there is no gasping. And I'm not going to cover other things that I've done in other videos, but a little tip is, it's like you're blowing out a candle. If you think about blowing out an Italian dinner table long candle, you're blowing out a candle. So there is no okay, because you're just sort of revving your body up for panic there. So if you just imagine that when you're in the water, when you first submerge yourself in the water, that you're slowly blowing out a candle, and that will settle the feeling that you have inside. If you notice that your hands are going particularly cold and quite numb, you can shake your hands while you're in the water, and you can make a point of focusing on shaking of your hands when you're in the water, getting a bit of blood flow back to them. Wim Hof talks about that also, when he submerges himself into ice cold baths and things. And so you know, you could flick your hands a little bit and you can focus on doing that, and it just takes your mind off of the actual chill of the water. Okay, what else did I want to mention? Just a quick little thing, it's Dynamic Dipper hat winning time. Okay, and this will be drawn the week of Christmas week on a video, because I will be going swimming quite a bit on the Christmas week. And so if you would like to win a Dynamic Dipper hat, insulate, lined, really, really cosy warm. If you would like to win one of these hats, please comment on this video below on your tips to motivate yourself to go winter swimming when it's really cold and you've had the crappiest week from hell and you really don't feel like going. Can you post your comments and share them with everybody? What gets you motivated to go? And if you leave your name and details, you could win a Dynamic Dipper hat. What more could you want? Okay, so now it's my turn to go in, so I will demonstrate some of the things that I've just spoken about. See you in a bit. stopped that stuff that was happening inside that panic. And I took my hands. It's gorgeous down here, absolutely beautiful. I'll just put it in the waterproof case to show you. Okay, so yes, I'll post the what three words this location is in the description. But we're Birks Bridge at Dutton. Okay. I'm sorry it's a little bit hazy, it's in the case. Whew. But lovely and cold. It's a little bit hazy because I've had to put it in the waterproof case. But it's absolutely beautiful here.